Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing the DIY on how to make your own fur slides. So let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with my slides. I purchased these from Walmart. They were only about $5, really cute. And my boas, I purchased these from Michael's. That's an arts and crafts store. We're going to be using one per each shoe. Okay, so all boas have strings attached to them. We're going to be cutting them off because we don't want them attached to the boa as we put them on the shoe. Okay, so now I'm going to take my shoe and start to apply the glue. I'm going to use hot glue, and I purchased my hot glue gun from Walmart. It was only about $10. And we're only going to be applying one layer of hot glue. And I like to use hot glue because it dries really fast. And you don't want to put too much glue because you don't want things to get too messy and too sticky. And I'm going to take the end of my boa and apply it to the glue. And you want to make sure that you really press it down because you don't want your boa moving all over the place. And if you need to apply a little bit more glue, please feel free to do so because like I said, you want your boa to be really nice and stuck. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to keep repeating this same step. Well, these same two steps, you're going to be applying the glue and then placing your boa over the glue. And I like to glue mine really close together because I like for my shoe to look full and fluffy. But I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process because like I said, you're just going to be repeating those same two steps. Okay, so I'm just finishing trimming up the shoe. You're just cutting away any of the flyaways, any parts that look out of place to you. You're just going to be cutting those off. And as you can tell, this is a really messy job, so you're going to want to have a little trash can and a vacuum cleaner close by, because there is a lot of cleanup to do after you're done. So I'm still trimming up the shoe, just cutting away all parts that look out of place to me. And this is what both of the shoes look like. Really cute, really fluffy. And I don't have my toes done, but this is what the shoes look like on my feet. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.